How to download GTA San Andreas on PC or laptop for free. So if you want to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and go with the search and search for Rockstar Games. Once you've searched, you need to go for the first, which is www.rockstargames.com, and you need to go with the website. And once you're on the website, you will have a search icon which is on the upper right. Go with the search, and here you need to search for the game, which is San Andreas. Once you search here, you will have the game. So you just need to simply click on the game. Once you click on it, now here on the left side, you will have an option of buy now. Click on buy now, and it will take you to a next kind of interface where here you will have an option of buy now. Again, click on it, and then you need to sign into your Rockstar Games account. So enter your email, password, and sign into your account. Once you've signed in, it will take you to the payment option. And once you sign into your Rockstar Games, like if you don't have your account, you can create your account. Once you create it, you will get this kind of interface. So you just need to simply go with your payment methods. You can add your credit or your debit card, or you can go with PayPal, Amazon Pay, or Union Pay. So you can choose credit or debit cards. And then you need to enter your card number, your expiration date. And once you enter your card details, click on continue, and you will be able to buy the game and you will be able to download it. So in this way, you'll be able to download the GTA San Andreas on PC or laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.